Today we're going to learn how to run the database repair. I encourage you to look at some of the other videos that I have on maintenance topics. Let's go to maintenance, click on database, and then click on database repair. Right off the bat you will notice that the database repair has a lot more tasks in its list than the other two sets of maintenance tasks. The database repair generally should only be done when you are told to by a Surpass technician. There are certain situations that it's good for, and there are other situations where it may not be of much use. So rather than having to make a judgment for yourself as to when to do it, simply call us at 888-313-7678 or drop us an email at help@surpasssupport.com. Once you're here and you've clicked on the database repair tab, all you need to do is to click on the start button. Before I click on the start button, I do want to talk just for a moment about what is going to happen. During the database repair, Surpass Central is going to take complete control of your database and make changes to it. As such, you cannot do any cataloging, any circulating of books, or make any changes to your database, or have any access to it at all during the database repair. Surpass Central will have full control during that time that database repair runs. So it's a good idea to warn anyone who is looking up books or doing something on another workstation that is going to be accessing Surpass. Make sure to have those people close out of Surpass, just as a courtesy. Okay, so I'm going to hit the start button at this point and let the database repair run on my database. The amount of time that the database repair takes will vary. It depends upon many things. The size of your database, how fast your server is, how fast your network is, how loaded your server is with other tasks. Generally, if your server is dedicated to Surpass, you can expect that database repair will not take as long as if the server has other tasks to perform besides running Surpass software. Once the database repair is finished, it'll put a message up saying that it is done. You can click on the OK, and at that point the control over the database is given back to you, the user. One thing to note is that sometimes while you are running the database repair, the repair itself will stop with an error. It's important that you take note of this error, either take a screenshot or write the error down, its complete text, and give us a call or drop us an email with the text of the message. In general, if the database repair fails with an error, what we will tell you to do is to rerun the database repair again and see if you get the same error. If you get the same error, it means that database repair is stuck and it can't go any farther. If you get a different error, then it is possible that the database repair worked its way through the previous error and is encountering some other corruption in a different place in your database. So as long as you run the repair and get different errors, you generally can keep running the repair until all of the corruption has been fixed. If any of this is unclear, or if you're not sure, or you don't really want to be responsible for that, certainly drop us an email or give us a call, and we can handle it from there. Alrighty? Thank you for your time.